Today we talk about how can you find rewards activity on your RetailMeNot app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. So you just go down, click here on account down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just click on rewards activity here. It's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. Then here you will find your pending rewards and here lifetime rewards. Here you will find your total of rewards here. So like you see here, I have zero, I have nothing, but if you have it, it's going to show for you in this list here. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.